Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I will introduce very amazing website that will allow you to create your temporary inbox that you can say your temporary email address that you can give to any website for verification purpose or for any other purpose, because sometimes you don't want to give your original email address to the anonymous websites, because what they do is after you give that the real email address, they start sending you many promotional emails or this kind of stuff. So if you want to avoid this thing, you can use this website. So let's see. This is tempmail.org. You will click on this one. It will create a temporary email address for you. So in our case, it create FEROKA 5461 at blah blah.com. So what I am going to do is I will just write an email from my phone and send it on this email address, just to verify that if I will be able to receive email on it or no. So I am typing from my phone, so you can't see that thing. Just give me some time. Okay, A5461 at the rate of FFUQZT.com. So I am adding this one, and then what I will do is I will type the subject test and email to testing, and I just sent an email on this address. Hopefully I will receive it immediately after it will be sent here. So what I have to do is I have to wait here, because email is already sent from my phone. So I will just refresh it. Yeah, I already received, but I think I did refresh. Yeah, so after refresh you can see that here is an email. The subject is test. If I click on this email, it will show my email address, the date and everything. So this is very beneficial for those people who want to avoid giving their real email to anonymous websites. So this will be a great idea to get a temporary email address from this website and use it for the temporary purpose. Hope you like this website and this tutorial, and it will be beneficial for you in future, hopefully. Thank you.